What is that? Hmm? Are you imitating the chicken? Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. So this is the third time in 16 years that I see this bird around this area. I'm sure they live around here and there are a lot of like him over here, but this is the third time. Yeah, they're not that common around. So let me go slowly because so I don't scare him. Mind you, I was just about to exit so I can go and get a cream I left there yesterday. Yeah, look at the beautiful birds I get to see out there. What's up with you, mommy, huh? You were displaying yesterday some weird behavior, yes. What? You were laughing like. And picking up your paws. Huh? And when I came back with the camera, it was too late. Look, the little birdie's still there. Yeah, Paulie, I know, baby. There's a little bird here that I'm sure you will love to see, but I'm going to record him best. Because before he goes, you get to see him. Look at this beauty. What kind of bird is that? I mean, what's the name of it? Let me see if I can get a shot from the side. Okay, let me take a picture first. Gorgeous. Yeah, a picture from the sides. Gorgeous. Of course, I scare him away. Oh no, now he's on the chair. That is a gorgeous. Uh-oh. Yeah, he's gone. He'll come back. He knows where the food is at, right? And you look like a dinosaur. You look like a dinosaur. What are you doing? Ow! What are you doing? Silly girl. You want to hold my hand? Ow! Ow! Look at you. I'm going to kiss you. Are you doing karate on me? Scarlett doing karate on me while I was filming a nice, beautiful bird. How cool is that? All right. I love you. Yeah, I love you too, Polly. Ow! You hurt me, girl. Look what she's done to me. She marked my finger, but it's not really that bad. It just looks bad. Ow, ow. Scarlett.